Okay guys, it's Drew with Keep It Low Landscaping. I found out that, well, I put a new solenoid in, as you guys saw from my part 1, part 2 video. Put in a brand new solenoid, but come to find out, I ended up going and taking my old battery in the Autozone. They ran a test on it, and well, it was a bad battery. So what I did was, I went on Amazon and I looked up this Mighty Max battery. You know what I'm saying? You can see the details on there. Kind of got it from another review from a guy on YouTube as well, who has the same zero turn Cub Cadet I got, 54-inch deck, and he said it works pretty well, and so I'm gonna give it a try. As you can see, it comes with all the components, all the screws that you need to install it. It's pretty much the same size as my old one. This is my old battery, the Cub Cadet original. This is the original battery that was in there. Probably been in there when I first bought it, probably even longer than that. From the original owner that had it, he probably kept the original battery in. But I went and ran a few tests on it, and it was bad. It wasn't even really giving any voltage at all, really. So it was pretty low. So yeah, so I'm glad I replaced the new solenoid. As you can see, it was kind of bent, and it's just wore out. So I'm still kind of glad that I replaced it. I was going to eventually need it anyway. So I got the new one in, replaced the battery. And as you can see, it's pretty much the same size. Let me get this thing out real quick. So as you can see, it's pretty much the same size as this one. If you line them up, pretty much the same size, as you guys can see. It's a 12 volt amp. Let me see, what else we got on there? This is the model right here. Thinking it also has, well, I wanted to give some more credentials on this, but I'm thinking it's around the same. It's a 210 cold crank amp. This one also is a 210 cold crank amp as well. It's the same cold crank, 12 volt, 11 amp per hour. So we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna install this thing, and we're gonna see if we can get this mower running. So let's do the video. As you can see, the prongs on the top are pretty much the same as this one. You can install the screw from the top or the sides, or the front area right here, or the top. It's pretty much the same. I kind of like this one better because the screw components are a little more easier to deal with. So we're gonna get this thing installed and see what happens. Stay with us. So as you can see, I got the battery installed. I'll give y'all a better look. This one I tight and good. Let me see. Pretty tight. Get that bracket back in. This is the safety bracket. This is the safety bracket right here. I took this screw out when I shouldn't have. I probably should have left it in, but I'm gonna put the screw back in and it goes and assembles itself right down there. So I had that bracket on there good and tight as well. Let's see if we can get a start on this thing real quick, and we'll go from there. The lights on?
Yep.
They look bright?
Not that bright.